Okay beta, let's start with question number 3 of exercise 8b to find the HCF of 40, 60 and 80. So to find the HCF of 40, firstly we will start with the prime factorization of 40. So when we will, as 40 is an even number, so when we will start with 2 and we'll get 20, after dividing with 20 by 2 we'll get 10, and divide 10 with 2 we will get 5. And like this we can do prime factorization of 60 and similar prime factorization with 80. So to write down the factors of 40. Factors of 40 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 1. Okay, factors of 60 are 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5 into 1. Factors of 80, 2 to 2 to 2 into 2 into 5 into 1. So here check beta that which are the common factors. The number which is common, it is like you have to check that number comes in all the numbers to whom you find the HCF. The number, if it is common, if it comes common between the two numbers, then it will not be considerable. So in this case, as 2 comes in all three numbers, so it will be a common factor. Again 2 comes in all the numbers, write it also. Again see 2 comes in 80 and 40, but it doesn't come in 60, so it will not be considerable. 3 will not be considerable, again 2 will not be considerable. See the 5 comes in all three numbers, it is common in all three numbers, so it will be considerable than 1. Multiply the numbers, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 20 into 1 20. So HCF of all three numbers will be 20. Same you can do in other questions beta. I'm skipping question number 4. You will try it by yourself. Okay, question number 5 is 12, 16 and 28. Do prime factorization of 12. 3 with 1, with 3 we'll get 1. And prime factorization of 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Prime factorization of 28, 2 14s are 28, 2 7s are 14, 7 1s are 7. So write down the factors of 12. 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. Then write down the factors of 16. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. Write down the factors of 28. 2 into 2 into 7 into 1. Now pick the common factors which comes in all three numbers, that is 2. So write down. Again 2 is common in all three numbers. 3 is not in all three numbers, and then last one is 1. 2 2s are 4, 4 into 1 is 4. So HCF of all three numbers is 4. So this is our required answer. Okay, on Monday we will start with our next method, that is the division method. Hope you will understand all the questions. If you have any query, you can contact me or you can write in the comments. Thank you beta.